Here's how you can make takoyaki from Dragon Ball Super.
Taco, tamare.
じゃーん。
これは
よし、あんたこ焼きだ。
This is such a tedious process to make. The last time I made this was maybe 3 years ago. And there's a reason why I didn't make it again, because there's just so many different steps and elements you have to do, and then you have to actually make sure the balls stay in place. You gotta form it. Vegeta knew Beta-sama was gonna like this because you can't hate takoyaki. Unless you don't like octopus, but if you didn't know this had octopus in it and you just ate it, you would like it. So if an alien race is coming to Earth and they demand food, you better make them some takoyaki. I'm gonna give this a 9.1 out of 10. It's really good.
ふわっとした小麦粉のボールの中にプリッと潜むタコの食感